Okay, hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Why Chinese New Year? Chinese New Year, is it? Everybody say what, Chinese New Year, is it? 係啦 congratulations 啊 Grab 易華 and Go. Wow, simi meaning. Grab 易華 and Go, what's that? What's Grab 易華 and Go? I don't understand. Okay, good evening, everybody. Welcome in. Let's see how many of you are online right now, 98. We wait for more people to join us, okay, before we start tonight's session. How about? So yeah, let's just read it out. 109. So while waiting for more people to join in, let's start with your stock. As usual, give me your stock. What stock do we want to discuss tonight? Any good lobang or not? Any good lobang or not tonight? Who want to draw the first blood? Basically, 买什么升什么啦，correct not? The stock market is very Hong Leong Asia. Great tech is tomorrow. Hong Leong Asia first. Okay, let's talk about Hong Leong Asia. Hong Leong Asia. Hong Leong Asia is a stock that we have been following for some time. This was the breakout that we were very happy on PP, but subsequently the deep pullback caused everybody to sian half lah. Okay, so this one I don't need anymore, so I'm going to delete it away. Okay, I don't need that line anymore because it has really broken out of the downtrend resistance line, and currently it is doing what we call the consolidation. Guys, you see, okay, this is the high, low, high, low, high, low. Now trying to go higher. Okay, $1, trying to test $1. This week is a very good week. So good week for Hong Leong Asia to test $1, and we will see whether it can survive now. But during the consolidation, you can see that the chart has got BIC. Now, this is the more important part. During consolidation, how do we know after the uptrend, after the stock moves upwards, and then it goes into consolidation? How do we know it can go higher? You need to understand buyer or seller in control over here. So from what we see on the chart, based on the volume, buyer in control. Okay, so therefore it has a chance to go and test $1. Now, 能不能 break $1 and continue to trend higher 就要看它的造化了。Now, the weather is very good now. July, very, very good. A lot of stock market is bullish, especially Bursa. Finally, we can breathe. And for Singapore market, we can breathe since 2 weeks ago. So 2 weeks ago, it's been trending and trending and trending. So let me show you in terms of the market share index. You can see, okay. Now this was the pullback. Okay, everybody was very worried. Oh, shit, are we going down? A lot of stocks are moving up, but this is where stability happens. Price stability happens. So normal consolidation. How do we know? Tonight, I want to share with you so that you will remember for the rest of your life. Whenever stock pulls back and you see this Singapore Strength Index consolidating sideways, you look at the stocks. The stocks should be pulling back on low volume. Okay, low volume, and no stocks break the previous low. No stock break the previous low like this low. No stock break the previous low, and you know that is a bull market. Okay, now this is something that I have been telling you since 2 weeks back. Say, hey, this one is normal pullback, because from the volume I can tell that, hey, this is a normal pullback. How do I know this one will crash? Also the calendar date Okay, the calendar date, July earnings season, I will say there will be price stability. And right now we are spiking up into the green zone and right smack into the sell zone. Be careful now. Okay, now those of you who are late, never buy any stock. Okay, you are waiting for the market to be bullish. Like I said many times, by the time the market is bullish, it's already too high to buy. Did I say that? Those of you remember I say that, give me a like. To remind everybody, okay? To remind everybody, come. If you remember, I said that, okay, by the time you realize that, market very bullish, it is at the high already. Year in, year out, keep happening. So if you do not know how to spot at the low that you can buy, it is to buy at the high. Very, very risky, because anytime the market can turn down, then 你又被骗. Okay, then you will blame the stock market, you will blame the Singapore stock market. Singapore market cannot make money lah. You know, I must go US then can make money lah. If you cannot even make money from a slow market, a fast market like Wall Street, you don't know what stock to pick. No, so many. Okay, so this is now going to the high. So watch out, don't be too overly bullish. Time to watch out for. What do you look out for here when you go to the high? Sell candle. Okay, if you see sell candle, you see bearish signal, that is the signal for you to consolidate your position. Take some profit off the table and move into stronger stock and raise cash. Okay, raise cash because you need cash to tahan the pullback. Once the pullback happens, you need cash to tahan the pullback, and when it's low enough, you can buy again. So going forward, July, I think, July, I think no problem. Okay, July, sorry. Let me just do this again. July, I think no problem because it's the US earnings season. US that side don't cock up. Asia very hard to cock up. Okay, so July should be good. If you can get this green mountain for 1 month, 2 to 3 weeks, hey, we are just starting there. So if it continues to go green zone in July, plenty of money to be made 开玩笑 ，this July 看到准准，OK， 很像看相这样我看到这个 July 准准 going up 嘛。Last week if you are here, I was talking about this low and this July. So now it happening through to the analysis. So it is time to do what? To do a 哈哈，对不对 ？It's time to do a 哈哈 ，yeah， 笑口常开，好运自然来啊！ See, week in week out, I tell you 嘛，笑口常开，好运自然来，真的来了咯，是不是？不要每天愁眉苦展，不要每天闷闷不乐，一直以为哎呦 market very bad, market very bad. No lah, you buy wrong stock. Okay, so this is Singapore Strength Index. Good news is we are going up. Okay, we are going up until the thing turn down lah. Okay, now one time 搞了 no need to see anymore. Switch it off. Like next stock, PropNext. James, PropNext. Let's take a look at PropNext. You hang on. You hang on. I want to screenshot this. Okay, so let me just restart my ESG Master Pro and then let's go back to the price chart and we are going to look at PropNext, right? PropNext. What is the question on PropNext, James? 可以买吗？是吗？ Is that the question? PropNext 可以买吗？这里没有买卖建议Okay, there's no advisory. 哎呦 PropNext 哇水哦 ，so beautiful chart, right? Okay, now when is the best time to buy PropNext, guys? Do you know when is the best time to buy PropNext? Do you want to know the best time to buy PropNext? Okay, so let me show you. The best time to buy PropNext is 这边 29 of June here. Some of you may say, "Ayo, 废话 29 of June already up already, then you say can buy here." Now let me show you why I say that. Open the wrong one. This one. Okay, so let's see. PropNext. There you go. 6 days ago, 是不是29号？是不是29号？ So this is the best day to buy PropNext, and I caught PropNext right at the head. Okay, hit the nail on the head. Sui. Okay, so that's the best time to buy PropNext. Now, if you never buy PropNext, your question should be not whether can you buy now. Guys, don't ask this type of question because even for myself and for the rest of my community, we all know that 1.77, $1.77 can buy PropNext, man. Crazy, man. You want to buy low, whatever thing you buy in life, property, car, COE, stocks, you want to aim to buy low. Okay, you want to aim to buy low. So this is the low. Okay, so this is the low, and if you know how to recognize the BIC charts, okay, right here, the BIC chart right here, you will know that PropNext is just normal consolidation. It is time to buy PropNext when the buyer returns. Okay, when the buy return. So this is a chart that you want to learn how to spot the BIC so that you do not miss. So if you want to ask me, like, what do you do with PropNext now? My style has always been riding trend. Okay, I've been riding Union Gas, iFast, Yangzijiang, all the way since last year. If there's no reason to sell, business is very good. Okay, now when I buy a stock, it's not because of the chart. I also because of the earnings. Okay, if the stock earnings is getting better and better every quarter, every earnings reporting is getting better and better, I don't know why should I sell the stock. Okay, and if the chart doesn't show me any bearish sign, I will just hang on tight and ride the trend. You don't ride the trend, how to make big win 呢？对不对 ？Okay, so PropNext, that is my prognosis. Here cannot too high, so the best time to buy is here. So we catch PropNext on the dot, 准准水水 on the day. The timing in English they call impeccable. Impeccable. This month is a freaking good month, no joke. Very, very good month. So a lot of stock we catch it at the right time. Okay, impeccable. All because of this. All because we understand this. All because we understand this. OK， 那另外一只神股等一下我才跟你讲另外一只神股来 next stop Thai Beverage Thai Beverage，let's see Thai Beverage。Thai Beverage is still haven't broken the downtrend line. This is the downtrend, okay? By connecting this high to this high to this high, you get a beautiful downtrend line. So if a stock is in a downtrend, I do not buy. I prefer to buy uptrending stock. So I need to wait for the Thai Beverage to break this downtrend line before I'm remotely interested to buy Thai Beverage. Okay, so that is a Thai Beverage for you. Okay, let's see. Fortress Mineral. Okay, Fortress Mineral. Let's see. Fortress Mineral. So this is Fortress Mineral. Okay, Fortress Mineral. This is the steel industry stock. Now, steel industry stock, you need to understand two things. It is not only the earnings that you are trading, it's also not the chart that you're trading. There's a third factor, which is the China factor. Okay, so if China comes out with any news that they want to clamp down on the steel prices again, then you will see selling pressure on Fortress Mineral. So for me, as a trader, as an investor, I think there is a risk in steel stock, but yet I know it is very tempting, interesting, because all the investors remember the good time from March to May, 2 months up 150%. It's because of this, a lot of people want to buy back Fortress Mineral. I fully understand because I myself has been tempted by the devil, but I keep a clear mind. Okay, if there is a risk in Fortress Mineral, why don't I focus in another industry which can also make money? Okay, because this one, if Xi Jinping open mouth only, I think the price is going to pull back. So there is a risk. If you want to trade Fortress Mineral, you are accepting the risk. Okay, now since you understand the risk, let's take a look at the chart. Now the chart is a very nice chart actually. Okay, it's a very nice chart. You can see on the weekly chart, you have got very nice volume with white candles signifying buying coming into the stock. I especially like this group of candles over here. Let me draw for you. This group of candles over here. I especially like this because this is the setup that I like. Okay, and it comes after the shooting star. This shooting star means the price must go down, but the price go down and then recover, and now we are looking at a BIC again. Okay, a BIC chart again. So with this BIC chart in mind, we can always, okay, the opinion is weekly chart, BOSI means it's bullish, it's actually looking quite nice. So we should look for the entry from the daily chart. So on the daily chart, you are looking at a very strong day today. In fact, today should be the entry day. Okay, if you're interested in Fortress Mineral, today is the entry day. All right. So tomorrow, if you buy, you are doing a breakout play. Okay, you're doing a breakout play, which is not my favorite. I prefer to buy when the first day it comes up. Okay. Now, the next thing is, what if it pulls back on low volume? Okay, if it pulls back on low volume to retest the seller, that will be a more ideal price to buy, because the retest, if it's successful, then it means that it's got more upside to go. A strong day like this definitely has got a lot of contra player, okay, buying and into the stock. So therefore, they have to get out of the position if it doesn't move in their favor in T+2. Now Singapore is T+2. Some of them got very good relationship with the broker, maybe T+3, +4. Okay, so within the next 3-4 days, if the stock doesn't go down significantly, I think more upside for Fortress Mineral based on this. Okay, AEM. Let's see, AEM. Hey, wrong one. Hey, y'all don't ask about the stock that already moved up 嘞。来that 没有意思嘛，对不对？各位亲爱的兄弟姐妹们 ，you ask a stock like this 没有意思嘛？你要问，你问杨子江this type of stock. Why? Because haven't go up yet 嘛 ，haven't go up, then we together we see got chance or not 嘛，对不 ？You ask me AEM， 好像是要跟我炫耀你有 AEM 是吧？对不对？没有意思嘞，在这边讲买，这边就好问了咯，这边就不要问了嘛。来 UMS、Franken all this 不要问已经上了嘞，上了你问什么？这边才问吗？这边问，这边不要问了，这边 enjoy， 这边甜美的梦。OK， 来 Franken also the same。那你不懂怎么问，我找给你啦。这种上了不要问了。你问 Innotech 啦 ，Innotech 可以问吗？就不要问 Innotech， 你看还没有上吗？还有一个 ascending triangle pattern， 裸碎裸秋的款，怎么不要问这种？这种还没有上的才问 ，OK？ Will 嘛 ，plenty of upside 这种可以问，这种可以问，还有怎么可以买了没有don't ask those already go up OK？Don't ask those already go up。Jaffa 可怜的 Jaffa， 来 ，let's take a look at Jaffa。this type is good. Now, Jaffa, this type is good. Right? Daniel Ong 哇，你终于回来了let me see are you the Daniel Ong？ 是不是你Daniel Ong？ 好久不见嘞，你消失到哪里去了？看到老朋友了，old member。Go holiday 假风Daniel Daniel Ong。Okay， 来， we focus on Jaffa first OK。Jaffa, right. So Jaffa right here, because I got see the chart before, so I know what to tell you. There are resistance over here. So when you draw a line, you will get what we call the resistance turn support. Resistance, broken, turn support 1 time, support 2 times. Now, how do you know there are more buyer or seller right here? Now, see, this is already happened so 不关我们的事 none of our business. Okay. Then this is what we want to focus on. So this is coming down. So after the thing come down, right? Have we reversed the selling pressure over here? Scroll up. Can you see this white candle trading volume is higher than this black candle? So Jaffa is BIC. Now, for those of you who do not know what is BIC, what is buying control, right? Let me explain to you. Okay, so when you take a look at the stock chart, okay, we want to focus on 最原始的方法，那就是 naked charting. Okay, support, resistance line, trend line, and transaction volume and candlestick. So 我们一步一步来。Okay, so first of all, we take a look at the volume. Okay, volume. So volume, we look at the volume spike. Okay, we look at the volume spike, and we pay attention to the 2 extreme level. Volume spike and when volume is very low. So what do we want to see is when the transaction volume is very high, we want to see that it is white candle, because white candle means buying. This is a very simplistic view of candlestick that I'm sharing with you, okay? Because this session is a short session, so I just want to quickly bring everybody up to speed. So white candle means buying. Black candle means selling. Okay, 很简单的说法。So when you take a look at the volume spike, if you see white candle, it means that there are buyers on this day. Buying is very strong. Buying is stronger than selling on this day. And when you take a look at the high volume over here, you see that it's a black candle. So whatever good that it has done here, high volume white candle during this consolidation already consolidated until CL. So these people went to sleep. Okay, so as the stock pulls back, you saw a very strong day of selling with high volume. Okay, that is bearish. The stock should go down, but you encounter stopping volume on these 3 days with lower volume. So the selling did not continue. That is the first clue. Selling did not continue. So this is a positive sign. The second positive sign is this white candle on last Friday, right? It has got superior volume higher than the black candle. That means the buyer overrun the seller. Selling has been absorbed. Okay, now the next 2 days, you can see that the candle is small candle and the transaction volume is lower. So this is the legendary, famous BIC. Understand or not? Understand? Give me a fireworks of light, please. Thank you very much. BIC, the legendary BIC. Very good, guys. Very good. Okay, sweet. So Jaffa BIC. Now, if you are interested to buy Jaffa, you need to check. Okay, this is the chart. Chart is bullish. You saw a BIC. Now, that's just to double confirm. We take a look at the weekly chart. Now, weekly chart, you can see a very long tweet. This is what I call it in English. Oh, hammer. Oh, shit. This is called hammer pattern at support. Okay. You flip any technical analysis book, right? Hammer pattern found as support is a very powerful pattern. You need a white candle confirmation. And this is the week. This is the week. 就是今天这个礼拜. Okay, if you finish a white candle, then maybe more upside. But you have to be careful here because Jaffa is in the range since March. Okay, since March 92 to 80 cents in this range. Okay, so it is not really trending very strongly. It's not very strongly, so you have to watch out for this. The other thing that you want to check is the business, food processing, okay, and the rank. And the rank, you can see that there are 2 stars. Okay, there are 2 stars. Just hang on, just hang on. I need to find out. Wait, let me just go and double confirm. I do not have another chart open because it is kicking me out of my own session. Okay, so therefore, where am I? Okay, the fundamental. So this stock is 2 star, rank 2 star. The more the merrier. So currently only 2 star, but never mind. Let's take a look at the earnings. Now earnings you can see is very strong, trending upwards. And you take a look at the quarterly. Now quarterly there is some sales over here. Okay, I think it sold a stake of its business to the China counterpart to bring the China market. I stand to be corrected. But generally, it's a profitable company. Operating income is very strong. So therefore, Jaffa will qualify our pick. Okay, we'll qualify our pick. Then this is the PIP. So currently 10% is shooting for $1. So this is 84.5 cents. So I say Jaffa has got plenty of upside. Okay, just that it may be slow. Okay, it may be slow. So if you are interested to trade Jaffa, okay, if you have got this software SGX Master with you, so what you want to do is to create an alert. Okay, now you can see, let me just clear my chart. Okay, as you can see, this is the high, this is the high, this is the high. So we have got a lower high. Okay, so lower high, what we want to do is to draw the, downtrend line. Okay, the downtrend line. Now this alert line, very powerful. Later I tell you why. I put on this Friday, first Friday of the month. So you have a downtrend line. So when Jaffa breaks this downtrend line, you will be alerted in this software right here. Okay, and it will also alert to your Telegram that looks like this. Okay, so that you do not miss Jaffa. Because you see there are over 800 overstocks in Singapore market. So if you are looking all around the place, you may forget about Jaffa, and when it break upwards, right, you may be kept in the dark. You may not know, hey, Jaffa has got a signal. Okay, so therefore, this is one way to keep yourself informed if Jaffa break upwards. All right, so this is how we look at Jaffa and how to set alert. Now, is this useful? If it's useful, please comment Jaffa for me. Thank you very much. Comment Jaffa for me. Thank you very much, guys. Okay, if you find the trend line will be useful, or Jaffa has got BIC, you understand, or comment Jaffa for me. Thank you very much. Let me just sort by rank. Later we're going to go through my screening results together. Okay, we see whether we can get any good stocks or not. Jaffa, nice. Okay. Right, guys, next stock, please. Next stock, come. Let me pick something from YouTube. YouTube. 福来 SPH Reverse Medical not interesting 嘞 Grand Venture come one Grand Venture great why I talk about Grand Venture because it is 哎呦都说了嘛在上的不要问啊 you see 啊 no 不是我不要analyze the stock Grand Venture it is because already go up 嘛correct or not? We are here tonight to look for money making opportunity, Tan Lui. So this one cannot already up. So if you buy too high, when the stock reverses, right, everybody will lose money and scold me. Right? So this one cannot too high. You want to ask, remember, ask at the low. So any stock, guys, you see at the low one, you ask. Like Union Gas also 欠骂啦 Union Gas 有什么好看 Union Gas 我 show you my profit 更好来嘛Union Gas I show you something. Very. I can show you. Just now I talked about PropNext, right? 那给你看一点，你要那 Union Gas、PropNext 也是有 UMS 我也是有 SPH 也是有 SIA 啊 SIA， 哦，可以吗？这样可以吗？可以吗？哎，可以的话，鼓掌鼓励一下呢。什么都有哦，什么都有。哎，我还有这些。This one I also have iFast, Right the Trend, iFast, ISDN, Innotech， 我也是有。可以吗？可以给个赞呢，给个赞。YouTube 说 no like 呢 ，no like。Anymore 了，无聊啦。哇，哪里有这样厉害，这么多咩？好了，就係咁多啦，其他的不要给你看了啦。哦 ，OK， so 那些在上的不用看了啦，不用看了 ，OK。SIA long time ago 啦，$5 one，$5 buy one。OK， 来 next stock， come next stock。GKE 不错 ，GKE 不错啊 ，GKE 啊 worth a mention because it has got educational value. So I want to take this chance to 顺便 educate. So GKE, firstly, you see the rank, 3-star rank, and the stock moves on a very powerful move and then start to consolidate since 年头啊 January all the way to June, consolidated for 6 months. This stock, if it breaks the 142. If you break the 142, I think the upside will be very powerful. GKE. Okay, what you see in GKE is all BIC candle during the consolidation. 记不记得我刚才跟你讲 BIC 怎么看？记不记得 ？Okay, BIC how to see? You go and take a look at the volume spike. Volume spike, volume spike, volume spike, volume spike, volume spike, and volume spike. Okay, so you can see all the volume spike are white candles. So in July, such a beautiful month, that this is the best chance for GK to finally break higher. It has tested our patience because we have GKE, Okay, it has tested our patience 1, 2, 3, or 3 times want to break, never break, keep coming down. So 4th time coming, 第4次来了，第4次。So whether this 4th can go up and break finally, I think it has got a strong chance because of the BIC chart that we are staring at right now. Okay, we are staring at right now the BIC chart. So on the weekly chart, this week candle, right? You see, weekly chart, weekly candle opens on a Monday, close on a Friday. So that whole week, last 2 weeks, right? The max volume is only doing 12 million, about 12 million for these 2 weeks, past 2 weeks, 12 million. Today, this is only Tuesday, Tuesday only. You see the transaction volume already 15 million. So it has got all the ingredient. It has got all the ingredient, all the 东风 behind him to break 142 this week. 就是这个礼拜了。这个礼拜不 break 的话，可能我都不要它了。哦 GKE. So DKE, I think, has got a very, very strong potential. So if you are interested in GKE, if you have got this software, my dear members, what you need to do is to draw the line. I think those of us who already have, will just hang on tight and write. Also, those of you who don't have and you're interested, set the trend line or the horizontal line alert. Like for example, if you break this high, okay, break this high. Now, member will go, right? This is the pivot high I always mention about. Shooting star will see to see I key. I repeat again in Hokkien, okay, in Hokkien, because Hokkien is more personalized, okay, you will feel more affectionate. Bo shooting star, bo lo 就是 I key， bo lo 就是 I key， okay, very simple to understand 这个口诀 ，okay, shooting star bo lo 就是 I key。 Okay, so that is for the shooting star and of GKE. So everybody now understand, after we flick through a few charts, so everybody understand what is BIC now. Okay, can I by a show of comment, if you understand BIC now, comment yes, so that I know that everybody understand what is BIC now. 懂吗？懂了没有 BIC? Okay, if you understand BIC, comment BIC so that I know. Okay, I start to see all the BIC coming in. Thank you very much, guys. 还有没有多一点反应 ？Please give me more response. Thank you very much. So let's have a more interactive. Then you also more fun, ma. Right now, BIC, okay, very good. Since most of you already know what is BIC, what we are going to do is you take what I have shown you earlier to go through the list of stock, and we look for more lobang for tomorrow. Okay, the list is quite short, from Bull State all the way to maybe CFM. Okay, we try to find. Okay, so first stock, Bull State. Let's go to Bull State first. Okay, first stock, Bull State. Let's see what is the chart right here. Okay, Bull State, do you see BIC or not? Okay, do you see BIC or not? I do not see any BIC. Okay, I don't see BIC. What I see is just a very, very beautiful uptrend, like a staircase. Now, if you draw a stick man like me, if you draw a stick man, 它很像在爬楼梯，有没有？seems like climbing the staircase. Seems like climbing a staircase. So this one is too obvious. Climbing a staircase. And if you check the news of Bull State today, actually there was an alert on Bull State. I wanted to buy, Bull State, but I see here and there. I check the weekly chart. Everything looks too perfect to be true. It's so bloody obvious at this stock. Can you see? 你看得到 BIC, right? Bull State, so obvious on the weekly chart. And you look at the rank is 4-star. But when I read the earnings, right, I am not very convinced. Okay, why the stock goes up? I believe it's because of the asset sale, and there will be a special dividend to be declared by Bull State. Also, if the market is playing to that, it is not something that I know and I trade. So therefore, I am very hesitant today. Okay, anyway, still got chance because the alert comes very late, 4:32 p.m. Morning will be better. Okay, my members will know morning signal is always the best, because in Chinese there's a saying, 早起的鸟儿有虫吃嘛。So the earlier it hit our criteria, the better, because you can have the whole day to generate even more trading volume. Okay, so if you are interested in both state, then we can draw a horizontal line. We put right here at this level. So if it trigger, if it break tomorrow morning, it will send an alert to my Telegram. Then I will be alerted. Okay, and it must satisfy a certain criteria, the transaction volume. So members go and identify your own VT. Don't discuss in public. Okay, very simple. If you discuss in public, everybody wait for the volume. You will not come. Okay, so we know tomorrow we discuss in our private group. Okay, both state. If those of you who are interested in. Next stop, Dynamic. Okay, Dynamic 有没有 BIC？ I think 是有啦，对吗？这边一根，这边一根 ，Today pull back on low volume, but it is a penny share and it is a money, it is a loss-making stock. Okay, it is my trading principle to buy profitable company. That means company that are profitable. Let me explain to you the logic. Some of you may be new here. Okay, so let me explain the logic to you. If I, how do I put it? Why buy profitable company? Okay, so there are many different companies listed in Singapore Exchange. Some are performing, some are not performing. So when you go to the non-performing one, right, 90% of the stocks are money-losing companies. Those stocks that are flying high up, like your iFast, your Yangtze-Jiang, your UMS, Franken, all these, right? You will see they have a common pattern. That is, their earnings are positive. They are money-making companies. And the other reason is when a company keep making more and more money, there's a profit growth, earnings growth. The valuation of the company will also go higher. Okay, therefore the company will worth more. And how do you reflect the worth more? By the share price appreciation. Okay, so that is why I always want to hunt for profitable company. 一来比较难输钱。二来 the share price will appreciate. 三来 okay, if there's a global fund manager looking to invest in the Singapore stock market, do you think they will invest in a loss-making company or they will invest in a money-making company? Now you answer this question, guys. If a fund manager comes to the Singapore market to buy companies, do you think they will buy a loss-making company or a profitable company? If you think it's profitable company, comment profit. Okay, if you think loss-making company, comment loss. Let's see, let's take a poll. Let's take a poll, come. Join me, let's take a poll. Okay, while I'm waiting for your poll, Nasdaq is just simply beautiful. Okay. 非常之感动, okay, because I'm looking at the semiconductor stocks are green again tonight. So it will be wonderful for our UMS, our Franken tomorrow. Okay, so therefore, very beautiful. Right, yeah, profitable. Okay, so everybody understand, right? So therefore, even when the chart is bullish, you know, it has a pattern that I like, BIC, I will still not touch it because there are so many stocks. I as an investor, I have choice. I can go for the one that I know will work for me. You understand? I go for the one that will work for me from my experience. So therefore, I avoided these money-losing companies. Now, ESR REITs. Wow. Sweet ESR lost strong. Okay, but never mind. A lot of REITs are going up. So this is the, oh, wow. It has beaten down, right? Okay, this is COVID. ESR rate 太高了，我不要。Franken got signal. Now, the other thing, guys, even when there's a signal, doesn't mean you automatically buy. You need to see common sense because the software is not so smart. It will just pick up the trading signal and you have to see where are you now. The upside is at 191, you are 86. So this is like 5 cents away. The risk reward doesn't make sense. You understand what I'm saying? Risk reward doesn't make sense. Franken went to buy here before it go up This is the best time to buy. Let me show you again. Franken. Okay, Franken. There you go. 13天前 6月4号 is the best time to buy. OK， 6月4号 best time to buy。哦，所以6月4号就是在哇哦，6月4号在哪里啊？Wait, let me find again. Sorry, the date is wrong. The date is wrong. 13天前哪里是6？ Okay, this one is because my cursor is on 6月4号 but actually is 13天前。So from here we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 here. Also, this is the best time to buy Franken. Also, you see, every time I try my best to buy the low, I don't like to buy at the high. Buy at the high, very, very dangerous. Okay. Karin, Nasdaq index will affect tech stock. Yes, it will. Yes, it will. July, I think this July I quite confident, guys. So 放心, just 放心. Let's discuss together. I cannot say follow me. Follow me sound very illegal. So let's say 大家研究啦. July 大家看啦，大家看是不是我对? Should be very easy man. From the looks of it. The other thing is okay. Next stop. Franken already talked already, right? So we talk about Fu Yu, very slow stock. I see. Okay. Let me see. I got any more? No. Boliao. So tonight is very little stock. Market already went up. So tonight not a lot of stocks. Okay, let me recap. Okay, only boosted. So far only boosted and Jaffa 2 stock. Then stock deal managed. GKE Jaffa boosted. So tonight at least got 3 stock. Okay, my results. Okay, let's see. The rest are 1 star. Okay, I prefer 4, 3, 2. If 1, right? Okay lah, still can call lah. Okay, 1 will mean that they have just turned profitable lah. Okay, so therefore it could start to trend up. So we need to know why this company is making money. Is it in the right industry? And then we can predict whether the next half reporting it will be more profitable. Then we know. Okay, so the rest over here Sarin Tech is something I 放弃的. Sarin Tech, so now it's pulling back. Okay, so from my list of screening results, the signals are right here, the signal from my 3 strategies. I can only manage to pull out 3 stocks, Boosted, Jaffa, and GKE. The rest, so only. You see, so that's why this is like durian from Pahang. They come down in a lorry to the favorite food store. Not all of them can eat one. You need to choose the best. Start from 4 star, 3 star, and then go down the list. So if you are very, very selective and conservative, 4 star, 3 star, 2 star, 1 star, no need to touch. Also can make money. Okay, understand that, guys? So let's talk about Valuetronic lah. 给 Karin 一个机会 Valuetronic. Valuetronic is not the right stock. Okay, you see Franken, UMS, AEM, all these all go up, but Valuetronic is not going up, and worse is you see no BIC at all. Okay, there's no BIC at all, so don't touch this stock, I think, in my opinion. There is no BIC at all. You go to the weekly chart, there is no BIC at all. You see, I am very simple. After 17 years in the stock market, right? You need to sometimes take a step back from the stock market and you analyze what have you done all these years, and you will realize stock market got good time and bad times. During bad times, Hamblang stock, mother son stock all will go down. Okay, but during good times, not all the stock will go up. Okay, you pay attention to one particular group of stock. So those are the ones that will go up. So what works for me over the past decade is I look for buyers in control kind of chart, confirm with the stock's fundamentals, the earnings prospects, 报价. Okay, that is how I do it. So Valuetronic, no BIC, I shall skip. Costco, there's only one song that can sing when you see Costco, 就是等你等到我心痛. This one really wait, doesn't come. You see, there is 2 very strong long white candle on the weekly chart, and it is normal consolidation. So it is now trading at the trendline support. It seems like the stock knows, because last night in the members meeting we were talking about this. Seems like the stock knows. Last Friday it was weak, it was threatening to break down. So today on the Tuesday we are showing some glimpse of life again in Costco. Now it is not dead yet. Costco is not dead yet. You can see the transaction volume. This is what we like, what guys? 是不是这样子讲？Fung say, there is a key customer leaving China for Valuetronic. That is why the chart is bearish. Also, those of you who are interested in Valuetronic, please thank Fung, because he is the one that shared this very important piece of news, the catalyst, the reason why we shouldn't touch Valuetronic. So may I need everybody to give him a standing ovation. Come on, click the like, click the like. I like member who share information like this, so that we cast our info net wider, like Skynet like that. We cover a lot of stocks. We got a lot of information. Also, 一个人只有一双眼睛嘞，对不对？一个人一双眼睛，200个人就是400双眼睛。一个人一双眼睛，400个人是200双眼睛。Sorry， 讲太快。Okay, so thank him very much for sharing. Okay, let's see what else. Costco FA, right? Wow, hey, Michael Lim, I like your style. Costco, you know, I don't trade only on chart, so we talk about Costco FA now. Costco, the chart haven't finished yet, so we come down to the chart. You can see that is BIC. Okay, there's BIC. Okay, there is white candle only. I won't even call it BIC. Not if it's BIC, right, guys? It will not pull back. It will not break so low. It will not break so low. So this one is like purposely going to break the downtrend, the uptrend line. Okay. Now let me show you one Malaysia stock. Okay, this stock is also very, very technical. Okay, this stock is also very technical. Okay, there you go. Okay, so you see this orange line I have drawn it there since the low was formed, so we were all waiting for it to pull back. You see how nicely, why this just give me one moment, let me just adjust my line. Okay, there you go. Wait. Okay, now can you see this orange line is the uptrend line? Can you see today is going bounce up? Okay, bounce up on this uptrend line. So it seems that the operator also know how to draw trend line. Otherwise, why will it bounce today, this week? Okay, so if you refer back to Costco, exactly the same thing is happening in Costco. So you see, if you 不会看图表是非常的模滑的，对不对？ You see, 准 at the uptrend line bounce. Okay, bounce. So therefore, Costco could be making another attempt to break the 32 cent. July is a bullish month, as what we see now seems like can be bullish. So if it is indeed bullish, you expect the stock market to have a very healthy rotation among the stocks. Okay, one group of stock, one industry will go up first for a few days, after that it will rest, then a second industry will come up and take its place, rest, then rotate and rotate. So Costco turn may come. Now fundamentals, Costco turn around. There is a significant earnings because of the demand for the logistics, marine logistics and freights. Okay, there is a port congestion happening around the world. There is a lot of e-commerce, a lot of ordering of goods going around, goods flowing around. And last year, there is this Suez Canal, or is it this year, Suez Canal blockage. So there is a very, very demand, there's a very strong demand for the services of this Costco shipping Singapore, okay, marine logistics. So therefore, the earnings was very good. And we expect the earnings for first half 2021 to be just as good. So therefore, Costco is still worth 等待的，等待与期待。Okay. Next stop, Food Empire. We talk about Food Empire, right? Now we talk about Food Empire. Okay, firstly, it's a low volume stock. So what is Food Empire doing? Now, Food Empire is what we call wasting time. Okay, there is no BIC in the chart. Now we do see, okay, this is coming down. So this is a shooting star. So this is the only long white we saw. And then after that, the stock starts to drift aimlessly to the right. Okay, and there isn't any spectacular long high volume trading above 4 or 5 million. So this is the only one, but it is not significant as I said. Okay, so it is basically not doing much on the daily chart. I can't tell. Okay, then we go to the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, what you can see is the pulling back is of low volume. Now, I would have loved the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles to be even lower volume so that this is becoming more significant. Okay, this is more significant if this volume is much lower. But nevertheless, this is still a positive sign that we're looking at in Food Empire. And don't forget, it is the stock on steroid and trading sideways, consolidating. Okay, consolidating. So therefore, why would Food Empire go higher? Earnings. This company is having a profitable business, profitable earnings, and the earnings, if can grow, then it can continue to go higher. If the earnings reporting in Q1 in first half 2021 is lower, then you expect the price to come down. From what we see, guys, technically, this is a very healthy volume with the consolidation. You see a lot of stocks this week, when I open a chart, you see a lot of stock having bullish consolidation. It is so much different from the March and April time. Okay, it's so much different from the March and April time. So therefore, it seems like the past 2 months, let me revise again. So it seems like, okay, let me go to the daily chart. So it seems like, wow, it seems like this April to May is the time for the stock to consolidate. Okay, and then now going to break higher, trending higher. So this is all the stock going higher, rotate, rest for 2 weeks, and then engine start again. When the engine start again, you see bullish chart all around the stock market. Very unlikely the stock market is going to come lower. So that is how I look at this Food Empire. 就是这样。OK， 还有没有？还有没有？ A lot of stocks a lot of stock very bullish in the Singapore market. Tomorrow Busaston. PropNext 讲过了，佩珠讲过了，还有没有？来。幸福了。幸福是做什么的 ？Real estate development 的。哦 ，OK。OK。幸福 the chart doesn't look 嘞。Okay, so next stop, 短线。短线 already up， 短线 already up， 没有什么搞头啦 ，up already 没落棒。Must ask when it's low， okay, must ask when it's low. Serial system 其实，Nano Firm is whole，Nano Firm OK， 来 Nano Firm。Nano Firm 本人也是有 Nano Firm 啦 ，so therefore I like to look at it. Okay, Nano Firm has a ascending triangle pattern. You see, I read the term some time ago. Okay, you can see Nano Firm has got this ascending triangle pattern and likely to break up. Okay, why? Because of BIC lah. Because of BIC. BIC. So this is the last high. Try to test break above 550s and then it pull back. Okay, pull back. Now I was looking forward for a very nice pattern. Then this candle comes along to kacau. High volume, unable break higher, and then try to break higher, fail. But generally the volume is still low. Of course, if it's significantly lower like this, it will be even better. So to me, this long white candle hasn't died yet. The BIC in Nano Firm hasn't died yet. And then the return of buyer last week and this week started small black. Okay, so overall on the weekly chart, you can see that Nano Firm is also a bullish stock and looks set to test the upside. Okay, you can see over here as well. Okay, see this view. This view is even clearer. Going up, high volume, coming down, low volume, and you think that it's going to die. Suddenly, buyer come in. Okay, tapi never close at a high. Weakness. Okay, then never go lower. Continue to go higher. Pull back, low volume. Going up, high volume. And now, this 3 candle volume is high or low, guys? You tell me, high or low? These 3 candle volume is high or low? You tell me. Crystal say low. Who else? Who else say low? Huh? Low. Hey, YouTube also can participate. YouTube. Low. Parents say low, low, low. Yes. Okay. Now, so if it's low, what does it mean? Does it mean bullish or bearish? Next question. Follow-up question. Does it mean bullish or bearish? You tell me. You tell me. Bullish, bullish, bullish. You all say one, bullish, okay. So this is the reason why we conduct webinar like this. So I teach you how to see the chart, and then when I flip a chart to you, you can tell that it is bullish. So that is the objective of Tuesday's seminar. Okay, very good. Thank you very much, guys. YouTube, if 不会太麻烦哦, may trouble you to help me click the like button, because once you click the like button, my videos will be high up on the ranking. This like button and also subscribe. Or YouTube participants, may I trouble you to help me click on the like so that the YouTube algorithm can pick up my video and make it popular. Thank you very much in advance for your help. And also remember to click subscribe so that whenever we post any good content on the YouTube channel, you will be able to receive. Okay? 谢谢你. Okay, Keppel DC REIT 问得好. Okay, Keppel DC REIT 问得好. Okay, Keppel DC REIT since last week, it's already, I think, is low enough, because this is the major support. This is a major support for Keppel DC REIT. Okay, this is a resistant, broken, will turn support. So it has tested the support right here. So if you are interested to pick up Keppel DC REIT, buying a major support and technically it's sound. Okay, and you can see there is very high volume coming into the stock, despite this high volume black candle breaking down. So the buyer already overcome the seller over here. So those of us who are in Keppel DC REIT, okay, I also got Keppel DC REIT. We just sit tight, ride the trend. Anyway, got dividend to collect. So this is one stock I have just added recently into my dividend portfolio. Okay. Okay, you want to know a shortcut in buying the... You want to know a shortcut in how to go YouTube? Oh, you guys know there's a YouTube link. I send to you. Dun, 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 dun. 看来我的军队要去帮我 click like 了，是不 ？Thank you very much 嘞。谢谢大家。Okay, so yeah, those of you who want to own REITs, those of you who want to own REITs, if you do not know how to analyze the REITs, at least to the minimum 你一定要买那四大家族啊，四大家族。Do you understand what I'm saying? 四大家族 ，Do you know what 四大家族 am I talking about? If you're interested in REITs, how many of you interested in REITs? You comment REITs, REIT, so that I know. Then I will share. REIT. If you're interested in REITs, REIT, let me know. REITs, okay. Come. REITs. Oh, wow. Okay, so you guys are interested in REIT. Hey, thanks, Jack. Thanks. Can you ask your brother Jack Via also? Two brothers. Jack. REITs. Tell you a shortcut about REITs. Okay. REIT. Okay, REIT. Okay, very good. I see a lot of REIT come out. Okay, like the shortcut to REITs, shortcut to REITs. Right? Tonight I 破天荒跟你 share 了哦。After how many years? 17 years， 我看到起起落落。I've been through 2008. I've been through 2014, 2018 when the interest rate is going up, and of course the COVID-19 time. So there are 四大家族 you can look at lah. Fraser, Capital, Maple. Okay, Maple should be the top one. Okay, Maple, Fraser, Capital, and Ascender. 四大家族. This is L and C only, L and C only. Okay. This one I don't like the India one. I like the Ascender, the last the JTC one. Okay. Now this is the 四大家族 that if you want to buy REITs, you go and study these 4 families of REITs. Good enough. Okay, this should give you a very good return of between 5 to 6%. 5 to 6%. You see, Capital REIT are not even inside. Okay, because why? Maple Tree Industrial already overlap Capital DC. So if you really want to keep it simple, okay, and you don't mind, the return is a bit normal, not very much because you're not taking a lot of risk here. These 4 groups of REITs seldom go down. Go down also will come up, and they've got a very strong sponsor behind them. So this is the shortcut. Okay. 四大天王、四大家族都可以叫它四大天王 Four family. Maple Tree got Maple Tree commercial, Maple Tree logistic, Maple Tree industrial. The NAC, Maple Tree, NAC that one I got question mark. Fraser, I only like Fraser L and C. Then Capital, of course, Capital Mall lah. Capital Mall is good. Then there's a Capital R China. Then Standard REIT only one. 就是这么简单找係咁簡單。Okay, so if you think this information is very useful and valuable to you, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like. Thank you very much. Give me a like. 看好了我关掉了这个是 This is because you are here tonight on a Tuesday, so you shows that you are interested to learn from me. Give me 面子, so therefore I give this to you free gift. Okay, 来按掉those of them who watch the replay and whatnot will not know. Will not know. So that is the shortcut for you. Okay. 杨枝酱很奇怪了这只股why because you keep winning 2 consecutive contract still doesn't want to go up, but generally it has already went up like 49.7% for the year. Also, therefore, it consolidates 是非常合理的It consolidates 非常合理的 So far, we do not see any bearish sign, and we don't see any strong sign to pick it up yet. Okay, I am still waiting for you to show me more candles so that I know whether it is time to pick up more 杨枝姜 or not. Also, I am patiently waiting. Meanwhile, enjoy the rest of the bull market. The rest of the stocks are going up, so still a happy day. Happy for BB. Union Gas. Wilma, we talked already, Wilma. Okay. So now I want to 总结 tonight's session. So tonight we learned a lot of techniques. Generally, BIC is always there okay. And then we want to talk about the 3 stocks that we have added. Boasted, GKE, Jaffa. Tonight we saw these 3 stocks having very nice chart form. So next week we see whether they got trigger or not. Okay, so that is the 3 stocks that we highlight tonight, and we want to talk about next will be the summary. Okay, the summary of the stock selection procedure. Now this is helpful for those of you who are new to investment, new to trading. Now, every trader, every investor will ask 3 questions. What to buy, when to buy, and when to sell. So when you are looking for stocks to buy, please do not anyhow find a stock that is in the top 30, listen to your broker and just buy. Do your own diligence. You find out which industry is the stock in, is it in play? If it's not in play, then don't touch first because the turn haven't come. If you go in too early, you have to wait a damn long time, not very efficient use of your money. Then sometimes stock will have a positive catalyst like contract win or certain government policy benefited that industry, like dishing out government projects for infra spend is one, or dishing out digital banking license. Remember that? Singtel and iFast was vying for it and Singtel won, iFast lost. So these are called catalysts. So as a trader investor, it is very fun. You just need to keep on looking out for catalysts and the industry theme and you just follow the tempo. Okay, so you don't have to, go deep study into one stock and just 死守一只股，你不需要的，你需要的是现在吹什么风 ，just 跟风。Okay, next is when to buy. When to buy, I will use the charts to tell me. So BIC chart is very important to me. If I do not see BIC, that means the stock is not ready to fly. When I see BIC, there is a very reasonable assumption that a probability that the stock is going to fly after I buy. So therefore, I always like to look for BIC. Okay, and then once you identify BIC chart, you can deploy buy low or you can deploy a breakout play. Now, when to sell? Very key. Now, we do not have the selling problem right now because the market is bullish, keep going higher and higher. So when the time comes to sell, I believe should be sometime in August or September. So you do have to watch out because if July is too bullish, then it will cause indigestion. August, September, you see volatility. October, everything bombing out. So you have to know when to buy. You must know how to sell. If not, later all the profit give back to the stock market. Very sayang. Okay, so that is the when to sell. Now, my name is Yi Hua, Director of PropNext. So over the years, I have been doing this kind of articles for mainstream media, also market outlook for Chinese paper, also a private trader for 17 years. And like many people, I started losing. Okay, like many people, I started losing. So last time, 要赚500块都西北困难了because you may be right in one stock. Okay, I went through that time before. I can be right in one stock. I will lose back the profit in another stock. So therefore, want to make $500 per month, always very, very difficult. So if today you are experiencing that, I feel you because I have been through that stage before. So what I know can help you. Okay, so throughout the progression, I will call it the progression. So nowadays, if don't win 4-digit or 5-digit, very, very gawai. Because you see, the analysis is right. So if don't make money from your correct analysis, it's just like sitting at the kopitiam, you like kopi with your friend, waste of time. So therefore, as you slowly progress, guys, as you slowly progress, your trading capital will get bigger and bigger. So when you have only 10, 20,000, you can only make a few $100s. Okay, so you need to have the right expectation. So when you have 50K, 100K, 200K, that is where your 4-digit win per trade comes along. And when you have more than 200,000, that is where your 5-digit gains will come. Okay, your 5-digit gains will come. So that is how I roll my money every quarter, every year. 我在这里，我再给你看一个东西，再给你看一个东西。哎呀，不要了，本来要给你看 portfolio 了吧，我觉得骄兵必败。Okay, I wanted to show you my portfolio tonight, but I realized better not lah because 骄兵必败嘛。A proud soldier will lose the war, so better not lah. 好，let's talk about the introduction here. Okay, so just now I wanted to show, I tarik back. Okay, so like before COVID-19, I was flying around conducting seminar like this to the region. Okay, so we conduct traders club meeting, we meet public like yourself. But after COVID-19, we are doing this online. So one seminar, we can talk to a lot of people at one time, just like every Tuesday. all the Singapore investor traders who are interested in our topic will come in, and then we'll sit together and go through 1 hour of stock picking. So I find this a very, very good process because I have a chance to show you what I know and how my technical analysis and my reading of the market can help you and complement what you already know. So therefore, provide value to the investment community. Now, at Traders Club, okay, we focus on what to buy and also the trade life cycle. So that means in this Traders Club meeting, right, what we're going through is we will look for a particular industry theme play or a catalyst, why the stock can goes up, and then we discuss the best strategy to deploy for that stock and as well as exit strategy. So if you're looking for a club, okay, a community of traders with like-minded individuals with one common objective, that is to make money, this Traders Club could be the one that you are looking for. Okay. Now, this is a 5-stage trader progression. So a lot of people, again, like myself, we are stuck in the first 3 stages for a long time. Okay, the only time you can get out of these 3 stages is to adopt a working trading plan, therefore saving you a lot of time wasted in the first 3 stages. You know, you have been trying your best to look up for a strategy that works, and you try this, cannot work, you try that, cannot work, you know, you keep jumping around strategy. Everybody go through that. So today, if you are going through that, it is perfectly normal. But some people will continue to be stuck in these 3 stages for decades. Don't be surprised. Okay, I have met users who tell me they have been trading, investing for like 20 years, win, lose, boom, bust cycle. Okay, so they're unable to keep their money. So the only way for them to progress and start to make consistent profit is to adopt a working trading plan. A trading plan like mine, which I have been using for years and it works for me. So this is my SGX Mentorship program. Okay, so in this mentorship program, what you will benefit from it is you will learn fundamental and technical as well. So in the fundamental analysis, you will know how to identify profitable companies, sector in play, which sector is in favor now, okay, or when the market is very bearish, which sector should you place your bets on. So this is what you will learn. And the technical analysis, today you see one type of BIC chart, but it can happen in many different shapes and sizes, okay, different shapes and sizes. So therefore, when you join the program, we are going to go through many reading of the candles with the volume, so that after 1 year, this program is 1 year, after 1 year, you will have a very good grasp of candlestick with the volume reading, which we call price action trading. Okay, and throughout the 1 year, I will provide you the mentorship. That means I am holding your hand, okay, holding your hand and guiding you through trading every single day. We pick the stock together, we analyze, and we decide as a group in the community collectively, okay, this stock good or not? Is it BIC? Okay, so as a group, we do it in our weekly training webinar. And then when I see something good, I will broadcast through the learning broadcast. Okay, so this is the learning broadcast, how it looks like right here. Okay, so this is just how I show you a little bit, right? So straight trading, I used to own straight trading, but because I think it's wasting my time, I sell it. So I share with you the reason why, so that you will learn. And nano firm, okay, I'm going backwards first, like Hanwell, there's a time to sell. I'll highlight to you Shooting Star, and then you have got ISDN. When is the best time to buy ISDN, which is 21 days ago, ISDN. Just now I saw people asking about SIA, right? SIA will Spain. SIA, 这个太远了，这个太远了。Okay, so let's come back to the recent one. Okay, recent one. So this is trading, right? Then we got Franken. 13 days ago, we started to pick up Franken because Franken has got a very nice BIC chart. So I shared with the members. You see, if you join, you are new, you may not be able to understand and to apply immediately. So I will use the real market stocks that I myself want to trade to highlight to you, hey, why am I trading this stock? So that you learn the reason. The other one, UMS, okay? A standing triangle, so I'll explain to you how it works in the weekly meeting. So this daily broadcast is just a quick text to you so that you will be aware that, oh, UMS, something that you have learned, a standing triangle, it has a pattern. So you can open up the chart and then you can study and decide if you want to take the trade or not. So that it will help you not to miss the trade. Innotech, okay, 11 days ago, we also have a stock on it, and this is ISDN. When I put as per last night webinar, it means during the weekly webinar, we are talking about it. So 720 crack, everybody was watching it. So when it cracked, we text a message and let those those members who may not be in front of the computer know that, okay, a very happening thing has happened. 720 crack. And we got PropNext, okay, 6 days ago, we traded PropNext and SingMac, okay, get out of SingMac to fund the next purchase, which is the Wilma. Also got out of Thai Beverage, wasting time. So got out of Thai Beverage and SingMac, put into Wilma, okay? And yeah, so this is the recent stock picks that we have done for the learning broadcast. So as you can see, the learning broadcast can help you focus on the right stocks so that you can benefit from them. Now, every day we are inside our private group to talk about the stock market. Okay, this is called the private invite. Chart and Trade Club Singapore private invite under discussion. Every day I will start a topic like this. Stock discussion, 6th of July, which is today, and then we will share charts, we'll discuss entry, discuss exit, do we need to sell, or is it time to sell? When to sell PropNext? I think today, one of the top questions, when to sell PropNext? Because PropNext keep going higher after we buy. If I'm not wrong, we should be up close to 13%. Okay, let me measure. I also don't know. One of the things are 17% now, 18%. Now, one of the things I don't do is to count the chicken before it's hatched. So long the trend continues, I will just only when there's a reason to sell, I will start to look into the stock and see whether do I need to sell or not, then see how much am I making from it. Otherwise, as the stock progresses, if I focus on the profit, it is very easy to screw my mind to, sayang, later come down, this sort of thinking will come and then end up sell too early. So that's one tip for you. I don't focus on the profit. I focus on defensive once I get into a good stock. Okay, so this is the mentorship I provide in the program. After you learn from my videos, the mentorship comes in every day for 1 year. Okay, so I believe this program is I designed in such a form that I believe by daily engaging you, I will be able to help you understand the game of trading. So this is one old trade on PropNext, make 2.6K, one good trading idea. Sembawang Corp Industry, 2.7K, good trading idea. So if you think PropNext and Sembawang Corp Industry, 2K is very low, then what about 6.4K? I hope this wakes you up, Union Gas. Now, I cannot control how much I make from a stock because I only sell when weakness sets in. So, like Union Gas, so I managed to drag all the way out. Also make 6.4K and new software and update. Okay, so when you join me in the training program, okay, you will get access to the private Facebook page. That one I showed you just now. So you will get all the stocks and news updates like earnings, contract win, or analyst upgrade. And you have got lifetime access to the training videos. Now, these training videos will be accessible to you lifetime. Okay, so you join once, this is to you lifetime. And the weekly webinar is only for active members. So we will conduct this weekly webinar to reinforce the concepts and also look out for the new trading ideas. Okay, we conceive trading ideas in this weekly webinar, so it will help you to have a continuous learning experience. So for ESP Master Pro is a software I use just now. As you can see, we have got the charts, we have got the fundamentals, so you will have a lot of information on hand for you to make better investment decisions. Okay, now the chart inside is also a delayed real-time price chart. That is why we are able to trigger real-time alerts to all members. Communicator is the learning broadcast I showed you earlier. So with this learning broadcast installed into your mobile phone, wherever you are, you will be able to receive the alert of stock on the stocks that we are trading. Okay, so you will never miss another good opportunities. Very helpful for those of you who are new to trading and those of you who need help. Okay, you do not know what stocks to focus. Telegram alerts is something that you can set up on the ESP Master just like I showed you. So you will receive your own alerts. That means the lines that you draw, just now we draw on Jafao, we draw on GKE. So once you plotted them there, Tomorrow, if we trigger this trading levels, you will be alerted in your mobile phone as well. Okay. So my SGX mentorship program entails these 4 things to focus on what stock to buy, the entry, the exit, rinse and repeat for 1 whole year. Okay, so this is the semiconductor trade that I did in the January 2021, realized the gains. So $11,355 for this rally, okay, in the semiconductor stocks. Matex is a profit 27.7K from the COVID time, 2020. So that time you can see this chart itself over here. Okay, you can see the chart itself is having BIC formation, correct now? So this is why I say this BIC works. Okay, it works. So therefore, even back in 2020 COVID time, there are opportunities. A lot of stocks come down, but Medtex, Riverstone, UG Healthcare were the darlings of that time. So one good trading idea, 27,000. Fortress Minerals is the latest one. Okay, so this one is 13.4K. Okay, you can see the date over here, 2021, 11th of May. Let me show you the chart of this Fortress Mineral for you to understand that the method that you will learn is very consistently applied. Fortress Mineral in May. Okay, in May is where I sold, so I pick it up sometime in March and April. Now, can you not see there's BIC? Can you see there's BIC? Can you see there's BIC? 有没有看到 BIC? So this is the kind of chart that you will learn how to pick them up so that you can keep on hunting for the same stock and keep on profiting from them. Okay? So if you're looking for a program that focuses on results, okay, that means profit, then this program is for you. Okay, this program is for you. So with the knowledge you learn from me, you will be able to spot opportunities, and that is where the profit is. Our pre-COVID seminar package is 2788. That is when we are having face-to-face meeting. We need to book the events room, hotel, food, so print the material. So this is 2788. Thanks to COVID, now everything moved online. So for you to enjoy this mentorship program online for the next 1 year, it is only 1388. If you break it down to per month, it is only $115 per month. So I say, if you have been losing more than $115 per month, I think it is better for you to invest this $115 into my program and learn how to pick up stocks that can help you recover 10 times this 115. Okay, 10 times this 115. So if you are interested in the Union Gas, the Fortress Minerals, the Metex, this program can help you. Give me 1 year of your life. Okay, 1 year of your life, I will transform the way you trade and cultivate all the good stock picking habits so that it will stay with you for the rest of your life. Okay, so 1388. So this is the bonus that comes along with the program, REIT play. Whenever I want to buy any REITs, I will discuss in the group, okay, and show you the reason why this REIT has reached a very good dividend yield. So it's time to park some money inside these REITs. Okay, and the other one will be the bonus, will be the private alerts. Now I set alerts for the stocks that I'm monitoring myself. So once those alerts trigger, if you are inside my group, you will be also receiving the same alerts that is sent to me from my system. Okay, so there are these 2 bonuses that you can enjoy. So for the online promotion, okay, instead of 1388, tonight, if you sign up, it will be 1011. Okay, 1011, which is $84 per month if you break it down into 12 months. So it is so affordable that I think this $1,000 to invest in an education makes a lot of sense. Okay, for you to learn a life skill that can take care of your finances, your wealth being for the rest of your life. Just give me 1 year. Okay, I have got a lot of members who have joined before, so let me show you their testimonial and you see how the program has helped them, can help you. Okay, so my assistant has already pinned up the sign up links over at the comments field. So those of you who are interested to sign, okay, you think that, okay, this is the program that you have been looking for, someone to guide you on a daily basis, go ahead and sign up, because after you sign up, you receive the welcome email. From the welcome email, you have the instruction on how to get started, okay, how to get access to the software, to the Telegram, to the communicator, to the Facebook. Follow that email. So let me show you the testimonial. Okay, so these are all the testimonial that my members has given me. Okay, so let me just pick one, two. Okay, Perry. Okay, so you truly get a lot more than you pay. Proper method and strategy, which I feel is the best. The cost you pay worth every penny. All this from Perry. So what Perry says, he find that the cost, the training program is undervalued. Okay, undervalued. That is why we have been increasing the price. Okay, as more and more members join us, we have been increasing the price, setting the barrier higher and higher and higher as we get more and more popular. So if you want to enjoy this sub $1,000 1-year program, this is the best time to pick it up before our next price increase cycle. Okay, now Wilson, once I turned to his public YouTube, I had started to recover my loss. Now I'm glad that I have become one of his members and successfully recovered all my losses in a proper trading method. From Wilson and Francis, learning while making money with chart access is the greatest takeaway in 2020 for me. One can invest with confidence in SGX with guidance and knowledge imparted by Yihua, or by me. Okay, so that is from Francis. So you can see there are many more. Okay, if you click on this link, it will bring you to more reviews. I have a total about 57, 58 reviews. All of them come from different walks of life. All of them started off differently. Some of them are new to trading. Some of them are already experienced, but they are not doing well. So I can help both groups of people. Okay, so their experience may be something like yours as well. So you can relate. The other one I want to share with you will be the FAQ. Okay. Frequently asked question, where is this mentorship program conducted? The whole program is conducted online. Okay, online. So there will be weekly meeting, there will be broadcast to your mobile phone. So, and all the training videos are already recorded online. So once you are a member, you have got access to these videos for a lifetime. Okay, you have access to my training video for a lifetime. That means you join once, you complete 1 year of program, the training videos are yours to keep. You will be able to access them to revise by yourself. Okay, and as and when we upgrade and update the video, you will also receive. Okay, so it is a very, very good thing to have this access to the videos. How do I know this mentorship program can help me? Okay, so there are a lot of testimonials from my 58 testimonials in all, if my memory serves me right. So you go ahead, you can go and read the testimonial so that you understand that how this program has helped my members. Oh, I think we've got 58 different individuals. Surely one of them has walked the path that you are walking now. So you'll be able to appreciate how the program can help you. Okay, this mentorship program is suitable for who? Okay, it is suitable for anybody who is either you are a working employee, you cannot trade intraday, you need to do some swing trading. This program is for you. If you are an experienced trader, a retiree, this program is for you. Okay, if you are brand new, this program is for you, because you can see my method is quite unconventional, and yes, it makes a lot of sense. You want to look for buyers first. You want to make sure this company is a profitable company. So therefore, it solves 50% of most of the people's trading problem where they buy the wrong stocks. Okay, so this program is definitely suitable for all groups of people. Okay, if you are new to trading, this program is suitable for you because you are like a blank piece of paper. Now, for a blank piece of paper, if you start wrongly, you cultivate bad habits, then it will stick to you and you take some time to get rid of it. But if you immediately learn what I have been doing correctly, you effectively already avoided all the pitfalls in trading that I used to step on and lost money. So therefore, you will be in a better footing and your learning curve will be so steep, so fast that you'll be able to pick up and become proficient in trading that you'll be able to get up to speed very fast. Okay, what will be discussed during the weekly webinar? Stocks, we'll look for the current team. That means what is in play, the catalyst, and then we identify the strategies to trade the stock. And we also review our past stocks so that we will have a gauge on whether to continue to ride them or is it time to exit the trades. So that will be the weekly webinar. It's like a club. Okay, it's like a club. So every stock we will go through and then we discuss together as a community. What if I am unable to attend the weekly webinar? Okay, so if you're unable to attend the weekly webinar, all the webinars are recorded, so you will be able to retrieve them and view at your own convenience. Now, if you have successfully made payment, you will receive a welcome email from us so you can open up and follow the instruction. Now, in the event you cannot find the welcome email, we have got the where is the let me find. We have got the the FAQ. Okay, the FAQ, the get started kit will be inside the thank you page. So the moment you sign up, right? The moment you sign up, it will be there at the thank you page. So you click on the link and you download the PDF file. Okay, so when you make payment, there'll be a thank you page. You click on the download PDF and you'll be able to have the quick start menu sent to you. Okay, so that is the testimonial and the FAQ that I wanted to share with you about. Right, so let me see any questions from the member, from the participant over here. Wow, so many questions. Titi, today's seminar very good because you make money lah. Okay, after 365 days, do we need to pay again to access the app? Mr. Tay, yes, you do. Okay, after 1 year, only the training videos are yours to keep. You can get access to the videos. But for the trading application, for the weekly webinar, for my alerts, you need to subscribe every year. Okay. Now, this question, right, a lot of people ask, but my reply will be, okay, you see, make sense or not? After 1 year, if I cannot help you in making money, right, then you don't need to subscribe anymore. Okay, no need to subscribe anymore. Okay, so you give me 1 year, okay, and then you sign up, you see how I can help you. If I can help you, second year, then you continue. Otherwise, you save your money. No need. Okay, any more? Okay, I have a question. The EPS master, the ESP master, how do I arrange the pitch table on the right side effect like I cannot figure it out. Okay, very simple, Michael, very simple. Let me show it to you. Very simple. There you go. This button, just click this button, it will come out. Okay, only for members. Okay, this button. Oh, 这里扭. By default, it should be up. Jack Tan got discount. Jack Tan, you already an active member. What discount you want? You mean you want to buy iFast at a discount? See tomorrow got lower price or not? Like YouTube, any question? YouTube, let me see. Okay, YouTube. Hey, YouTube, any question? Feel free to ask, right? Okay, you can feel free to ask. Let me put you here onto the main screen so that you can ask about the program. Right? Anyone, any question? Feel free to ask. Since we are here online, if you got any doubts with regards to the training, this is the best time to ask, so that you 清清楚楚. Okay. Otherwise, we have got this email. Okay, we have got this email, and there you go. We have got this email. Okay, and WhatsApp number that you can come and drop us an email or WhatsApp us to inquire more about the program. Okay. Now, before, how much for subscribing the chart? Okay, as you have to pay the prevailing rate. So currently it's $1,011 for 1 year subscription. Okay, $1,011 for 1 year subscription. So the chart, okay, sorry, James, to answer your question more thoroughly, more correctly is The chart will come with the alerts, will come with my broadcast, will come with the weekly webinar. It's the whole package for $1,000. So we do not just sell the charts alone. Okay, we don't just sell the chart alone. No problem. Okay, Wong Sui Sing. Sang, can I extend my existing 3 years plan to 5 years plan before the same offer as before, having the same offer as before? I don't think the 5-year plan is available anymore. Just enjoy your 3 years first. Finish your 3 years first. 3 years still ding. Now only 2021. Your subscription should be ending at 2024, right? Also, just use it first. Use it first. No hurry to renew, just make more money now. Make more money now first. We talk about renewal in 2024. Right? Any more question? Okay, if there's no more question, guys, let me just recap the benefit of the program for you. Okay, so first of all, this 1 year, okay, is going to transform the way you invest your money. And if you are brand new, it is even better because you really learn how to do it step by step and build a portfolio of good stocks all through my curated mentorship program. Okay, that means I'm able to help you at a very personal level. It is not a Saturday, Sunday you learn and you are on your own. We are going to take trade for trade one by one together. Okay, YouTube has a question. YouTube 来 YouTube 在哪里？我的 YouTube 在哪里？Do you cover US and Hong Kong market? Oh no, we only cover Singapore market. But inside the software, you will have access to this market. You have got access to Hong Kong, KL, the 3 US exchanges, Singapore, and China. So these are the 5 markets that you have access to after you become a member. Okay? Okay, more question already. Same price. Now I don't know about the 5-year price. Maybe you write in, you write into et@chinalysis.com, speak to Marion and see what's the prevailing promotion. Can the charts be viewed on mobile phone as we may not be able to view on PC while working when we receive the alert? Okay, the chart cannot be viewed on your mobile phone. Okay, it will appear, but it will be very small. I don't think it's very convenient. But okay, strictly speaking, if you ask me, right, it can display on mobile. It can display on mobile, but I don't think you are able to see very clearly. Okay, so what I think is it is better if you can open up on the PC while you're working. Can you wait? Let me try because I have been sitting on my desktop. I may not know. I'm trying now, Cheryl. Just give me one moment on my mobile phone. Then I see whether I can or not. ESP Pro. 等等我在 log in cannot. At least for my iPhone 12 cannot. Mobile phone cannot, don't have. Cheryl don't have to be on PC. Okay, so I think no more questions already, guys. Any more questions, just write in or text us on WhatsApp. Okay, so we will respond. With that, thank you very much for tonight's session. I hope I have provided value to you and hope that you can be successful in your trading. If you need help, do sign up for the program. So those of you who will sign up, I will see you tomorrow in our daily commentary. So see you, good night, and thank you very much. Bye.